So I got a minute to kill while I'm waiting for UPS to pick up. I remembered the story that I wanted to tell you real quick about Everly. So Everly is 6, and she went into the store with her mom, and she has her own money, right? A lot of parents do that to give the kids money, teach them responsibility. Well, Everly's looking around the store, and she's kind of a maniac right now. She finds something she likes. She gets up to the counter. She forgot her wallet. At that moment, they kind of both panic. They don't know if her wallet got dropped in the store or where it is. So, and of course, my first instinct was, tough shit, kid. And for me, that's a beautiful, easy, no hassle, no effort lesson for her to learn some responsibility, to learn that, there's consequences for not preparing. There's all kinds of lessons built into that. But that's not what happened. Her mother bailed her out, and she got the toy, and that was the end of it. And it was funny because I was asking my wife Sherry, because she's our niece, it's her sister's kid, and I said, I wonder if stuff like that is the reason why they don't like me, right? Because for most people that hear this story and say, oh my God, I can't believe you would do that to a 6-year-old. Oh my God, like that's a hard lesson. And I immediately, my reaction is, I'd rather have her learn it at 6 than 36, or change her name to Karen and learn it at 46. That is a hugely valuable lesson. And it's a huge lesson in just personal responsibility. You're like, yep, you're right. Like, the best answer is, yep, you're right. I screwed up. I'll do my best not to let it happen again. And then you see what happens. You see if it's important enough for her to remember. But that's what I was talking about why a faux pas is valuable. And in fact, you can turn this to every negative lesson, every negative thing turns into empowerment and refining your capabilities and just being a better person, being a better human being. Alex Hormozi talks about this too. No, I wanted to get that off my chest and tell you guys, thank you very much for all the well wishes and everything like that. I love to bring you guys content, especially stuff that you're not seeing anywhere else. If you see anything like this anywhere else, please send me links. I love this kind of work. Typically the only kind of work that I see is maybe Jordan Peterson. So, and I love his lectures, but I don't like his speeches. So the speech is where he's prepared, and I don't know. I'll just say that I don't like his speeches, but I do like his lectures, and when he's answering questions off the top of his head and things like that. So spontaneity. Anyways, I just wanted to close with that. Thank you guys very much, and we have some Christmas goodies. If you're hearing this video and want to be on the Christmas list, please text me with your name and your shipping address, and we'll send you out a little Christmas card. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.